In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a OneNote notebook. If you want to create a backup of your notes, move a notebook to another computer, or simply keep an offline copy stored on your hard drive, exporting your OneNote notebook is a simple and useful process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you are using the desktop version of OneNote and that the notebook you want to export is already open. This is important because you'll be exporting the specific notebook you currently have access to in the app. Once your notebook is open, go to the top left corner of the window and click File. This will take you out of the main notebook view and open the menu where OneNote keeps options related to saving, sharing, and exporting. From there, look for the Export option and select it. This is the section that allows you to save your notes in a format you can store outside of OneNote itself. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully. After opening the Export section, find the area labeled Export Current and choose Notebook. This tells OneNote that you want to export the entire notebook, not just a single page or section. If your goal is to keep everything together, this is the option you need. Next, go to the Format section and select OneNote. Choosing the OneNote format helps preserve the notebook structure so it can be opened again in OneNote later. This is usually the best choice if you want to keep your notebook intact and usable. Now, click Export. As soon as you do, OneNote will ask where you want to save the exported file on your hard drive. Choose a location that will be easy to find later, such as your desktop, documents folder, or a dedicated backup folder. Picking a clear location now can save time later if you need to restore or move the notebook. Finally, click Save. OneNote will begin exporting the notebook to the location you selected. Depending on the size of your notebook, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. And that's it. Your OneNote notebook has now been exported and saved to your computer. If you're backing up important notes, it's also a good idea to keep a copy in another safe location, like an external drive for extra peace of mind.